Hello everyone and welcome to this new vlog. This week is kind of a busy but also relaxing week. I don't have that many assignments and tests. You guys know I always start my Saturday by editing and uploading my video. My planning for this week is I have a religion test on Monday, then I have a math task on Tuesday, then I have my friend's birthday, and then I have also a test of math then Wednesday, and I have a biology test on Thursday, and I have a math task on Thursday, and then I don't have school on Friday. So that is my week. Then my planning for today is to send a mail, then do math assignment, then do religion summary, math summary, and doing practice questions, and then a biology summary and also doing practice questions. So that is my day, and I'm also gonna bake some cookies for my friend's birthday. So let's start studying. I began with making my religion summary. So as promised, I will answer some of you guys' questions in my videos. This week I only got one question. How are you doing? I'm not going in detail, but I'm okay. I've been having a lot of ups and downs and also some setbacks, but I keep on track with everything school related. Back to studying. I said I would go more in depth about my t-shirt. It's an Oxford University t-shirt that I got for my birthday last year. My dream university is Oxford, which is my main goal in my life, to get into Oxford and study there. I'm planning on studying neurosurgeon there, but if I'm not interested in Oxford anymore by the time I need to apply, I also want to study economics and business in Yonsei in South Korea.
The days until I'm in that house. The dads come to visit, but it's not their place. They don't belong to it. Not the way we do. The mothers and us kids. Mom makes me Mickey Mouse pancakes. Everyone gives me presents. It's the one day the boys have to include me in everything. It's my favorite day of the year.
Good morning, everyone. Actually, not good morning for editing me, but you understand what I mean, right? This beautiful day turned out to be a Sunday. Come make coffee with me. There's something I never told you guys. I have 2 Shetland ponies that I take care of. The reason why I never shared this with you is because this is my mind reset moment of the week. I give and get lots of love from these 2 ponies and they make me happy. The reason why I talk about them right now is because I want to show you guys these clips of them running in the snow. This will probably be the first and the last time you'll hear from them. So yeah, enjoy these clips of 2 happy animals running in the snow. Oh. Let's practice some practice questions for mathematics. I want to talk about something. The last weeks have been pretty bad for me. I neglected my swimming practices and studied around 2 to 3 hours on school days. I feel a bit unwell because of that, but I'm trying to overcome that. If I don't post for a while, it's because I'm busy. On this day, my mental health went down 100 kilometers per hour, so I decided to stay home. I only have 4 hours on a Wednesday, so I didn't miss that much of classes. I decided to make an oatmeal as breakfast. I always eat it when I feel unwell. Okay, my plan for today is to just first edit my video and upload it. So I only need to make a thumbnail and then upload it on YouTube. And then I'm gonna wash myself, clean myself a bit up, do hygiene, etc. And then I will be studying for my biology test. And when I'm done, I will edit another video, and between that I'm going to my friend to give her her birthday present because she just had her birthday today. So let's just make this thumbnail really quick. Then I didn't film for the rest of the day, so this includes today's video. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest and Spotify. Then I will see you guys next time. Bye!